Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to sign up for Dropship.io affiliate program. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing we need to do here is we need to access their website. So go ahead and open up any browser, go to Dropship.io, and from here we should look for the affiliate links for us to sign up. So at the very bottom of this page here, you should be able to see the footer. So in this case, what we need to look for is the company section here and click on the affiliate program link. So let's go and click on it. Now, once you click on it, it's going to redirect you into the affiliate program page for their website. Now, in this case, there are a few information about the affiliate program here in Dropship. So first is the whole process. So what you need to do here is just register, get the affiliate link, and then start promoting. Now, who are the people that could actually use their program? So these are for content creators, social media influencers, YouTubers, entrepreneurs, educators, and bloggers and writers. So in this case, if you have a platform, then the affiliate program that you have right now is the right thing for you. Now, for you to get started, what we need to do is we need to go to the very top here, and you want to click on the Join Now button here. Now, once you click on it, it's going to open up the affiliate.dropship.io web address. Now, in this case, since we want to be a affiliate or a member of their program, we need to sign up. So in this case, you need to provide the following information, which includes your email, first name, last name, your country, your password, and you also have to agree to the affiliate terms and conditions. Now, it's highly suggested and advised that you read through the affiliate terms and conditions here so that you know what you're getting into, and you'll also be able to know what is allowed and not allowed in their program. Now from here, just click on I'm not a robot and just click on sign up. And from then, just fill out all necessary details, or if it needs to verify your email, verify that. And from then on, you should be able to sign up to Dropship.io's affiliate program. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.